So here it is, Craftsman LT 1000. Maybe not actually the best lawnmower ever made, best value. They sold for maybe like $100 more than the typical equivalent. Back in the day, you got more than $100 worth. Those Craftsman mowers, they're just MTDs. They tell you who made the mower. It just says Craftsman on AYP. Roper called Husqvarna. The cheapest lawnmower you can get or wherever right now, they want like $2,200, $2,300. You can still find one of these $500 to $700 range. It's probably the best value you could get. Quit making these about 2009 or so. The name got sold and they really are just made by MTD now. It's not the original engine, but it is an engine out of different LT 1000. Over the years, the engines kept going up in horsepower, but it doesn't really make any difference. They made these in a hydro as well. They're not going to use the Tough Torque K46 with the hydro gear. You know, people generally avoid the K46. This one's pretty much just stock. That's kind of boring. So we're going to go on our other LT 1000. Why did you leave the tails?
Just to be different and cool. Start a trend. That's right. It's kind of like a mullet. You're right. It is kind of like a mullet shorts, you know.
There's this Briggs twin in it right now. It's been a gas electric hybrid. Had the V-twin Kohler. It's been 4-wheel drive. Opposed Briggs twin, so have a little rototiller action to show you. So let's move on to that.
So the electric drive is cool and all, but I mean, we're disassembling it right now because what's better than electric is gasoline. It's a 2-cylinder Kohler. We now have a gasoline powered lawnmower. It runs pretty good. We're gonna make it faster. Cut the fenders off. It's still on right here. That's what happened. Sad realization that I have not taken nearly enough video. I made this build process, and now I'm making this a 4-wheel drive gasoline mower. It was a 4-wheel drive 2-motor electric system, but we're moving up close to a finished product. As you can see here, we have a gasoline powered 25 horse, a pulley welded to the top, the other pulley like so that the one motor pulley drives this transmission, and then the pulley on top of this transmission goes to this transmission and powers the back tires. We have a 5-speed transmission up here that the driver can operate like so with reverse, and then the back passenger can shift through the gears 5-speed with reverse, and the driver can also reach the rear shift lever.